back to the Blizzard Squad. Today I'm back in X-Dogs. So I'm just fishing because I need to follow my orders. That's what I need to do. I'm lucky. I'm unlucky. Oh, a dumb bro. Fuck you, bro. What the fuck was that, bro? You son of a bitch, dude. I swear to God, if I don't get my fucking orders, bro. I swear to God, if I don't get my fucking orders. I swear to God, if I don't get my fucking orders, bro. I need a roche shrimp. Or a blue shrimp. I didn't get a blue shrimp. Not even a fucking one, bro. Dude, this is piece of shit. You gotta wait for this hour to get these piece of shit. You gotta wait for these to get you a piece of shit. This is what I got. Another breadfish. Wow, that's definitely a bitch, dude. I know. I keep swearing too much. Bro, I'm not a fucking idiot, bro. I'm not literally a fucking... Why is everything am I getting just fucking fish jerky? Like, what the fuck, man? What the fuck is this, bro? Fish jerky? Really? I'm not getting anything good, bro. Even the blue shrimp? Wow. Crab, I got one. I just got one fucking order done. But these, oh my god. It's fuck you, bro. I hate this. Why every time I'm not lucky? Well, that's done for fishing. Let's just go back to the fucking battle. Okay, we're back at the battleground. Here we are. So, I know my CP was a lot. It was not a lot when I first played this. I know you guys are shitty, some piece of shit bitches. Yeah, but I cannot do anything. Oh yeah, there's also a benefit right here. Okay, that's good. I guess these are cards. Sorry for doing that. That was just my toys. I forgot to clean it up. Oh. Top up for 1 day. Top up for 2 days. Top up for 3 days. Dude, this is impossible, bro. This is impossible. Gold badge. That's not gonna do anything, bro. Pack. Bro, why am I feeling I'm gonna take a shit already? I haven't get these for like a long time. XP? Excuse me? I haven't got any XP, bro. Like, what the bro? Like, what the fuck, bro? No, I'm creating a video. Ugh. Does ants always smells like shit? Maybe. Dude. Okay, that God, bro. God. Oh wait. That's a dog. Why am I falling in love with a dog? Sorry guys about that. I'm just feeling like really gayish. That was the gayest shit I ever seen, bro. Wait, that's a girl. That's the most lesbian shit I've ever seen, bro. Don't you dare. Don't you actually dare. Stupid Wi-Fi. I know my Wi-Fi has been like this. Oh, let's check on the mystery box. Joy discount. Oh. Oh, what's these? Mystery box. Oh, these are... Choose a wish. Let's go. What's this? Ooh, we need that because I need to start up my boy. Who's next? A pro, nice. What's this? Another one, nice, bro. Another one. Oh my gosh, that's kind of nice. Okay, we need tickets so bad, bro. Please. Please, another ticket. Yes! Sorry, I just shit. I think I just shit myself, bro. I'm still shitting. Oh yeah, I'm shitting. Sorry about that, because I was farting. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck, man? It smells like shit, though. Bro, it smells like shit. I'm not freaking kidding. The tickets and the random shirt, that's what we need, bro. Oh yeah, I forgot I have these universal red shard. Just do this. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. No Straw Hat hero card. Oh no. Who can I level?
You won't catch me.
Yeah, I know. Dude, I forgot. You know what? Let's just level this guy, Chainsaw Dog, up. Okay, he's almost max level. That's nice. Oh no, we cannot do that. Oh yeah, I forgot I have a cookie bag. And level him up, I guess. No, it doesn't seem worth it, bro. So this little shitty, this is like a piggy bank, but I cannot say it because I'm Muslim, but I don't care. Well, Muslims are like gonna pray and stuff, which that's nice. Allah. Bro, look at my CP. Like, that's actually a bunch. What the fuck, bro? No, that's actually fucking a lot. Okay, don't mind this. Don't mind the chat. Maybe is like, that's not Chinese. That is actually like India or something. I don't know. I don't understand that language. Well, just leave a comment. What language is this? Let's go to my guild. I'm already in a guild, okay? Don't ask me why I'm not in a guild. If you don't know what guild means, it means, what do I call it again? You can go to your builder. You just gotta go to the G with the letter G. This game is called what again? Now we're getting stronger. Well, we're not getting stronger. What the hell is what the fuck?